Hello, my name is Mohammed Yaseen. Coming from Kerala. I am a graduate of BTech Mechanical Engineering, also a holder of Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. I have completed my BTech graduation in 2024 from GEC Palakkad, Kerala. I want to do a course very related to oil and gas industry. So I decided to take a NDT level 2 certification, and my friend Joshua suggested this place. This is NDT training center in Greater Noida, and we traveled from Kerala to here to do the practical section. Actually, we have completed the theory section online in 45 days, and we have done right now we have done the practical sections from here. The teaching quality was very great, and the practical sessions are very good, and we understand about the basic things of the test, like visual testing, penetrant testing, magnetic particles testing. In magnetic particles testing also fluorescent magnetic particle testing also we have done, and we have also done the ultrasonic test. We have also completed the rest, and today we are going back to our town after completing this. I suggest everyone who are looking to looking to do this ANT SNT level 2 certification, you have to come here. This is the best choice you have to do, and thank you.